So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete drafts on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is to obviously open TikTok. On there you can see at the bottom home, friends, you can see the plus sign to add content. So you can add a draft through there. You can see your inbox for messages and other notifications as well as your profile. Now if you already have drafts, go to your profile. On here you can find drafts that you've added. You can see some other locked stuff and other categories of videos and content on TikTok for your profile specifically, but let's just open that draft. Now from here, you can't really see the direct way that you can delete a draft through there. You can set it up by opening it. So you can see a preview, you can see all the settings of that draft. So there's really a lot of stuff that you can set up through the setup of the draft before you post it. But uh, if you're certain you won't be posting it, if you want to delete that draft, just click on the select button. So click on that and you can see this delete option is right now red, which means you can click on it. If you click on this, you can see delete one draft. This will permanently delete the selected draft and save this much megabytes. If you're sure you won't be using it, you don't need it anymore, just clogging up space, just click on delete. And from right now, you can see there aren't any drafts. I've deleted it through that select and then delete part of the draft catalog. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.